Damn it. I'm excited. I said damn it. Sorry, that's not that bad of a word. 31.20 I spent. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, it is Sunday. We are here. What time is it, Uncle Mike?
6:30.
It's like 6:30 in the morning. We got to get this loaded into there for Monday market. Hurry up and get to a U-Haul, pick up a U-Haul, and then we are going to an auction on a Sunday that has 600 pallets at the auction. I said it again, 600 pallets. It's going to be an exciting and long day. Anyway, let's get to work. We'll keep you updated. Whew. All right, we're done. We got everything loaded. Got the U-Haul. Got Uncle Mike. He's been acting up a little bit today. Might have to fire him if he don't get his act together. Send him off on his way. What do you think? We've been fired, Uncle Mike?
Several times and rehired.
And then rehired?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, that's okay. I'm for rent anyway.
So we've arrived here at the auction, getting ready to go scope out the 600 pallets. Storage Scott showed up and brought Alex and I notepads, as well as himself, to be able to write down what we got. Brilliant idea. We're 600 pallets. It's hard to tell what you got. Now we got notepads. You guys ready for this 600 pallet auction? I've never seen 600 pallets or vaults or storage units before. How many do you think they actually have left? I'm going to guess at least 400.
But there's 600. One is a couch. 10 are going to be one.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that, there's a mattress. So here we are, we're stocking pallets.
Yes, we are stocking.
It's a nice sweater.
Thank you.
Where can we pick one of those up at?
Hello, Mama got it. Teespring on her channel.
Go, hey, little mama. Somehow Uncle Michael got left in charge of security, so he decided he's gonna sit over here and he's gonna charge everybody $5 to park. Wonder how much he's made so far. Look, ladies and gentlemen, more YouTubers showed up.
My objective is to sell it, number one, in big chunks. If I can sell the whole lot for one money for a reasonable opening bid, I'll do it. If not, I'll break it down to smaller lots. It's a cash-only sale. I hope everybody has a bidding number. You need one to bid. Cash-only sale. Understand it's a 15% buyer's premium to sell. All right, guys, again, you never know what's in there. Give me $50 for it. Give me 50, 25, 25, 35. 25 to be 35. 25 now 35 to be 35 to be 35 to be 35. 25 now 35. Last call. Fair warning. 25 to be now 35. Go for $25. Thanks.
Number 9.
Number 9. That's how it's done, guys. All right, for both pallets, give me $100 for the pair.
Yeah.
100 now 125 for the pair. 125. 125 on it. 125. 100 now 125 for both. 100 now 125. 100 now 125 going once. Going twice. All 100 now 125 last call. Throw it. 100 now 125 125. Go for $100.
18.
I'm not stopping on this one.
Jack, I just want you to know I'm not stopping on this one right here.
That was a whole pile of records.
I know. That's why I did it.
I'll in on this one.
All right, guys. We got a really nice lot here. Offer for one money if I get a reasonable offer. All this here. Nice refrigerator.
So everything here?
It's going to be $2,000 to start it. Otherwise, I'm going to split it up.
2,000.
Yeah, for all of it. I got $2,000 bid for everything. $2,250. $2,000 now $2,250 for the second bid. Got $2,000 now $2,250 for it all. Got $2,000 now $2,250 last call. $2,100 last call. $2,000 now $2,100 anymore. So for $2,000.
What'd you say?
So now we can buy some stuff. You officially bought the nicest thing here.
Oh, look at, I like that. See how the signs above your head right there? So, we got here early. I scoped everything out. I did my research on all of the names I was intrigued by. I looked at things because I tell you guys all the time, when you go to an auction and you want to profile somebody, there's 3 things that are very important to look at. How somebody takes care of their stuff. The most important is their bed. Is their bed skanky or is it clean? There's a reason why. Because if they lay their head down on a skanky bed, they don't care about none of their stuff. If the stuff they eat with in their kitchen is nice in the box, etc., they're well just taken care of. And their shoes, the stuff they put on their feet and their clothes. That one was nice. I bought it for $2,000 opening bid, whole lot. I also did my research, and the woman passed away last year. And I love deceased people's units because they don't come back for their stuff. It's a cold world. That's why I'm the storage auction pirate. And that's why I say I buy lives and sell memories. Now that I got the one I want, I got to be kind of calm and let my YouTube buddies buy the ones they want. I don't want to be a jerk because they didn't bid on mine, but I got it for $2,000 opening bid. I'm excited. I got this whole big ass lot for $2,000 right here.
50 now 75 on this one. It's gonna be 75. 50 now 75. Lockers aren't cheap, you know. 50 now 75. 50 now 75 on this cow. It's gonna be 75. 50 now 75. Go for $50 on this one. Number 14 places, that's for sure. Okay, so. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
All right, we got
Yeah. Yeah, right here. 50. Bidding her up, Jack.
50 here, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. Yes, 250.
No.
225 survey, 250 where? 250?
My bad, Jack.
You're killing me.
You killed me. I wanted the whole.
All right, guys, look at this. I bought this for $300. This is a day. Look at that bicycle. Boom. That's what made me like this. They bought that. I like the mattresses. Look how clean these are. Expensive. The name. Look at that. Lither Moise. I like this one. Clothes, 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 shoes. It's all women's stuff. Look.
This is mine.
I already called it.
What the fudge? Free.
Huh?
What the fudge? I want it, Mike.
We
You
can
got
split it.
That beautiful one.
I got two.
That
boxes.
beautiful one.
You got more than two.
No, I got one.
No.
I didn't buy that. I lied. I bought two.
You got like 4 lots. Come on now.
I got myself a DoorDash bag for
We can
$5.
split it if you like, sir.
Way back in the day.
What's your name?
Auto Reality.
What is that? Are you a business
My
card?
business card. I'm a painter, musician. I've started reselling last year to
Tight.
fund the creative endeavors.
Do you do YouTube?
Yeah. So I got a few videos in the bank. Starting to build it out.
What's your
2020
channel's name?
Auto Reality.
How do you spell that?
OTTOREALITY.
Awesome. Everybody
Yeah,
go to
yeah.
his channel and subscribe and tell him Pirate sent you.
OG's right here.
Awesome.
Kill.
The only thing is this table doesn't go with this lot. You notice? That goes with somebody else's stuff.
Over there, I think.
We'll just take it.
Tiffany is right over there.
Tiffany wanted it to be there.
All right, guys, coming up. Hey, Chung, guys, all of it for $400.
Yeah.
Now 450. I got 400. Got now 450 for the whole lot. Not that table. That goes with the another lot. That one right there. 400 now 450 for the lot. 400 now 450. 400 now 450. Let me 50. Go for 400.
Just bought all this for $400. This auction's awesome. I'm excited. A lot of littler women's clothes in here and shoes and stuff, but still $400 freaking dollars. Oh,
Now 125. Now 125 for 3 pallets.
guys. Damn it. I'm excited. I said damn it. Sorry, that's not that bad of a word. What do we spend here? $31.20 I spent. Nice. No, $32.20. That's right, because she had my $100 deposit. I am juiced. Oh, when you were before?
Oh, I just picked it up just at a glance.
All right. Look
That's
at that. Stuff.
Stuff. Coffee stuff.
These ones look, the totes look dirty, don't they? A rock collection. We're looking at Storage Scott stuff here, ladies and gentlemen. I see something. That's the one there. See how I felt that, Scott?
You called it. Costuming.
Okay, but what's underneath? In the drawer. Come on, gold. Almost gold. All right. I think I'm going to get in a 26-footer.
Seriously?
Well, I can get it all in once if I do that.
Not
buffalo nickel.
That's so.
Don't yell at him, guys.
Bumbo! Is that a diamond ring?
No.
Heart-shaped diamond? Fricka-fracka.
Hey. It's good, I want it. There ain't anything in there, that's the main thing.
There's stuff in there,
Well, that's the main thing.
but it's just
Not the
stuff.
main thing, but it's at least there's stuff, right?
It's stuff.
There's potential. Okay, good.
Which we
Oh, yeah.
can't complain.
All right, guys. I'm taking a quick breather here, and we're gonna see what world famous Locker Nuts has got today. What you got, Jack?
Broken bed?
Are they giving you all the pads?
No.
I see a lot of pads in there.
I might have to take some off still.
Nice.
What are you trying to get me in trouble?
No, I'm not. What'd you find?
I'm not looking.
Oh, all right. Me neither.
Later.
Same crew?
Let's go over here and check on Alex, make sure he isn't pulling stuff out of my lot. Here we are with the world famous storage stalker. Almost forgot your name.
Don't forget that.
What'd you find?
Nothing.
Nothing? I found a box of silver, jewelry, Bose headphones, bunch of sewing machines. Don't talk about his load. Like, look how square that is.
It is
Alex, you're doing a fabulous job with your load right there. One box is marked fragile. I peeked in it. I'm gonna have to wait to see, but I think I found one $10,000 item, almost new. It was 10,000 in the store, maybe 12. The lady told me 12 because I thought it was a 6 head, and she said it's a 10 head. Looked it up. Used on eBay was similar for 8,700. I think I did good today. You guys are gonna have to wait to see this. All right, so this is what I have left. Uncle Michael, Jack was astonished by this. Uncle Michael tied the mattress on the back. We got to come back and pick up all of this stuff. This is one lot I bought for 400. Very excited to go through here. Those two sofas, yeah, those are nice. Do you need them for your house?
No, I don't need sofa. I'm saying these are both yours too.
Yeah, this is nice.
These are recliners and these are so nice.
These would have been nice if somebody didn't do this right here. Yeah, that brings down the value drastically.
Still got recliners in it.
Yep, too bad I bought brand new sofas.